Hey there, welcome back to AI Code King. Recently, the Facebook guy launched Llama-3, and it's outperforming GPT4 and Claude in many rankings. They've launched two variants of the Llama model, the 8B parameter variant and the 70B parameter variant. There's also going to be a 400B parameter version in the future. It is currently one of the best open source models that you can use to create your own ChatGPT clone. So, that's what we'll be doing today. We'll create a local chatbot that is on par with ChatGPT, where you can chat, upload PDFs, and summarize articles using Llama-3. So, that's what we'll be doing today. We'll be using Ollama and a Streamlit-based interface to interact with it. First, let's get Ollama installed. Go to the Ollama website, select your operating system, and get it installed. Once installed, go to Ollama's models page and click on Llama-3, then copy the command. Paste it into your terminal, and the model will get installed. Once installed, you'll see the chat interface. Send a message and check if it's working. Now, our model API is sorted out. We need a UI that can summarize articles from the web, PDFs, and is easy to use. So, we'll be using the Phidata Cookbook to do this. They have a good and very easy to use UI. They use the Streamlit interface, which is easy to use. Anyway, to get this installed, go to the Phidata GitHub page and clone this repo in a new terminal window. Now, cd into the cloned folder. Open up their Ollama Llama 3 cookbook on GitHub. Now, we'll need to copy and run these commands one by one. We've already done the first step, so we don't need to do it. You can start from step 2. Okay, so now I've done all the steps, and the application is running. Select the Llama-3 model in the model dropdown. Enter the URL you want to summarize or upload the PDF here. Once done, you can start chatting. You can also chat without any PDF article if you want. I've added a TechCrunch article about Llama-3, and it can tell me everything about it. Pretty cool. I really like this UI. It's very simple and easy to use. Let me know if you like this too in the comments. Also, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.